Hello, my beautiful people. Please come with me as I prepare this sauce I saw online, the termite sauce. As you can see, look at the ingredients. I have my tomatoes, onions, pepper, yellow pepper, red oil, scent leaf, termite, and seasoning cubes. Look at my salt over there. I'm a lover of termites. Termites are edible ants that we eat in this part of the country. Very nutritional, very rich in protein and other vitamins. So as you can see, I'm showing you my termites. The termites, sorry, not my own termite. Alright, so I went ahead to blend it. I put it in a blender and blended it. After blending it, I set it aside. Then I blended my onions, my pepper. The person that prepared this, where I saw it from, used paprika, tatashi, chili, and the rest of it. But because of my tummy, I didn't use that. Look at me with my bongo in preparation of this concoction. So I'm setting my frying pan. See, I added my oil for the sauce. I used a little oil because I am preparing for one. Because my brother, my sister, I know that my husband will not join me in eating this concoction. So I've now added the termites, the blended termites. Look at it. I've put them inside the oil or in the oil, whatever. So look at me. I've brought up my wooden spoon, my spatula, so to stir it, because I kept on stirring. Look at me, still stirring the termites. I know a lot of people don't like this termite, but me, I'm a fan of that. So I've now added my tomato, my onions, and my pepper. Like I told you, I did not use other ingredients that was used by the person. I don't want poach. So some of these recipes I see online, I try to blend them to suit my own taste. So as I've added it, look at me turning the pepper, all the ingredients so that they'll mix up together. So I went ahead to put my plantain, the plantain I'll use to eat it. So I'm boiling it. I'm not a fan of yam, so I decided to use what I love. So look at me still stirring it, because I want all the water in it to dry. Sharp, the thing is ready. Oh boy. See, I've given you the first bite before I started eating. As Onion Man, that's CYYB. The taste or the proof of the pudding is in the eating. No, really, it really tastes great. The thing, the burst brain. So I'm telling you, not because I've experienced it, I've practiced it. Yeah, it's really giving. The taste is giving. Look at me dancing. Thank you for watching.